So continuation, pagkatapos ng La Granja, yan, dumaan tayo dito sa Pedraza ngayon. Ayun, darating na tayo sa Pedraza. So welcome to my new vlog here in Pedraza. So nasa daan pa tayo guys, pero darating na tayo doon sa Pedraza. Ang Pedraza is a beautiful walled medieval municipality in Segovia, declared a historic site in 1951 and a member of the most beautiful towns in Spain. Highlights include its 11th century town gates, its medieval prison with a dark history, and the 13th century castle that once housed French prince. Ayan, nag-house pala sila ng royal family, yung mga prinsipe sa France. Ayan na guys, yung Pedraza, ayan yung town. Maliit lang yan pero napaka-historic. Ayan ang daming mga ancient houses at ang kalsada na maliit. Ayan. Ang history ng Pedraza dates back to the 12th century when Fernando Gomez de Albornoz was named Lord of Pedraza. Then 200 years later, in the 15th century, the town passed into the hand of the Constable of Castile until the 19th century when the lordships were abolished. Pedraza is known for its medieval landmark, natural features, and historical sites. Ayan, marami dito ang nagtutour. Day tour lang kasi maliit lang itong Pedraza. Visitors can explore ancient castles, scenic trails, and historic town squares. Ayan yung town squares nila, oh, grabe. Tapos mga luma pa yung mga bintana nila, yung mga wall. Grabe, parang feeling ko parang nadaan ako sa 17th century or 12th century dito sa Pedraza village na to. Alam nyo guys, ang surname ng Pedraza is a Spanish and Portuguese topographic name for someone who lived near a stony area, derived from the word piedra, meaning stone. It can also be a habitational name taken from any of the numerous places named Pedraza, particularly in Spain. You know, to best visit here sa Pedraza, the best time to visit during the spring, April to June, and fall, September to October, months when the weather is pleasantly warm, making it perfect for exploring the town and its surroundings. So, Pedro is a Spanish and Portuguese name derived from the Latin word Petra, which means stone or rock. Pedrosa is a Spanish word that means rocky. Ang Pedrosa ay matatagpuan sa municipality sa Spain located in the province of Segovia in the autonomous community of Castile and Leon. It is located at 37 kilometers northeast of the city of Segovia with a population less than 500. Every year in July, Pedraza holds the Concierto de las Velas Festival during La Noche de las Velas. Marami pala ditong ginaganap na mga konsyerto dito sa Pedraza. Pero ang very historical ito yun, maliliit ang kalsada, pagkatapos ang mga bahay, parang noong araw pa ni-repair lang nila, nire-retouch. Dito sa Europe, pag may mga lumang bahay, bawal yan gibain sa harapan. Pwede mo yan palitan sa loob, pero yung harapan kailangan nandyan lang siya. Kung ano noong araw, yun din ang bawal gibain. Pwede mo i-restore sa harapan, pero bawal gibain. Ngayon, pagpunta namin malamig kasi may isno pa sa bukid. Ayan, nakikita natin. So, ayan yung aking short vlog, short video. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for your support. See you on my next vlog sa Segovia. Pero dadaan pa kami ng Soria. Ciao, ciao!